Won't you just see right through me? On the dying days when I ask for forgiveness of myself. Hey Mr. Bully, what'd you think when you pushed me out of my own head where everything made sense? Breathing in the lies that keep me open from the truth that keeps me holding on, holding on to your loss. What do you think about me when you destroy what is inside me? I'll carry on. Say it's over when nothing's closer to what you're fighting for.
That's a Mustang! Sup Hot Wheelers, it's DCS, welcome back! So, as I said earlier, it was the Mustang guys, and not just any Mustang, this is the 92 Ford Mustang guys, except it's really not so good on the wheels, but yeah. It's got 1 out of 10 in HWR cars, not the same without the Hot Wheels flame. This thing is kinda looking good, but except for its wheels, it's also called as the 3rd Gen Mustang guys. Yeah, the 3rd Gen Fox Body Mustang. They call it the Fox Body because of its, you know, curved lines, and it's not so muscular. It's kind of aerodynamic, so that's why they call it the Fox Body Mustang. 1 out of 10 ain't such a good number though. Well, what are you waiting for? Let's go for the unboxing first. Here we go. And now, the unboxing's done guys, and yes, at first look, it's pretty disappointing, just like the car. I mean, no, just kidding guys. Yes, it is pretty disappointing, the colors, and it's not very much detailed by Hot Wheels, but I'm not kidding with the wheels guys. The wheels really are ugly. I mean, like, oh my god, that really doesn't suit the car at all. It says HWR cars right there, that's pretty nice. It says Hot Wheels here, and yeah, a big O on the roof. Well, I don't know what does that mean, but I heard you combine the other Hot Wheels R cars and it formed something. Well, yeah, that's a mystery. Kinda nice. And at the front you haven't got much detail, not even the logo. That's pretty sad. Even the same condition at the back. Well, yeah, not a very good detailed car. At the bottom you haven't got much, just 92 Ford Mustang, Hot Wheels, made in Malaysia, that's it. And yeah, it's not so interesting guys, but let's just know about it, you know, let's see what's the performance and other stats. Here we go for the info. Now it's time to talk about the 1992 Ford Mustang guys. Moving on to the top speed at first. So the top speed of the car is 145 miles per hour, which is 233 kilometers per hour. That's not bad. I mean, at its time, it's kinda okay for this Fox Body Mustang. And talking about the engine is a 5-liter overhead cam iron block V8 guys. It was actually a small block V8 which produced up to 225 horsepower. Again, not bad for its time. And I forgot to mention guys, this car has a tint of, you know, one of those black coffees. Yeah, it has a tint like that, and it would have looked much better if it had different wheels, side view mirrors, and a different paint color. I mean, a lot has to be upgraded on this car. So yeah guys, that's it about this Mustang today. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, hit that like button. See you all next time. Enjoy your weekend. Bye bye. Thanks for watching and do subscribe.